Hi, hello everybody. Welcome to the Gulbarga Mirror and Deccan Tejas. मन्नूर मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल टुवर्ड्स हेल्दी लाइफ ने आज अपना वेबसाइट लॉन्च एक ग्रैंड इवेंट के ज़रिए से जस्ट क्लब में किया, जहां पर कई सारे गुलबर्गा के मशहूर और मारूफ डॉक्टर्स मौजूद थे। ये वेबसाइट लॉन्च मन्नूर हॉस्पिटल के डॉक्टर्स की टीम को एक जगह जमा कर इस वेबसाइट के बारे में बताने के लिए किया गया था। कई अदर हॉस्पिटल के डॉक्टर्स भी मौजूद थे और वेबसाइट लॉन्च पार्टी काफ़ी ग्रैंड रही। मन्नूर मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल 24/7 ट्रॉमा सेंटर, 24/7 एम्बुलेंस, न्यूरो सर्जरी, ऑर्थोपेडिक्स, लैप्रोस्कोपी सर्जरी, जनरल मेडिसिन, गायनेकोलॉजी, यूरोलॉजी, रेडियोलॉजी और भी कई ट्रीटमेंट्स के लिए एक काफ़ी बड़ा सेटअप गुलबर्गा में डॉक्टर फारूक अहमद मन्नूर MBBS, MS, FMAS हाईली क्वालिफाइड और एक्सपीरियंस डॉक्टर हैं। इन्होंने आज अपने वेबसाइट लॉन्च जेस्ट क्लब में किया था। ये वेबसाइट लॉन्च करने का मकसद ये है एक हाई लेवल की सर्विस गुलबर्गा की आवाम को देना। आप इस वेबसाइट के ज़रिए आप मन्नूर मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल के बारे में डिटेल जान सकते हैं। यहाँ पे कौन से डॉक्टर्स हैं, क्या क्या यहाँ पर ट्रीटमेंट्स होते हैं, और आप अपने हेल्थ चेकअप, जैसे कि हमेशा हम नेगलेक्ट करते हैं, मन्नूर हॉस्पिटल ने इसका भी ख्याल रखते हुए हेल्थ पैकेजेस का प्लान पहली बार गुलबर्गा शहर में लाए हैं। आप वेबसाइट पे जाकर अपने हेल्थ चेकअप की बुकिंग करवा सकते हैं। घर बैठे अपने हेल्थ चेकअप और रिपोर्ट्स मंगवा सकते हैं और आपकी रिपोर्ट्स इस वेबसाइट पर भी अवेलेबल रहेगी, ताकि आप कभी भी जब चाहे जब अपनी रिपोर्ट्स को ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं। मन्नूर मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल एक काफ़ी बेहतरीन लेवल पर बड़े लेवल पर सेटअप कर गुलबर्गा में एक 15 बेड ICU सेटअप किए हैं। एट ए टाइम टफ से टफ 10 केसेस या उससे भी ज़्यादा हैंडल करने की कैपेसिटी रखता है मन्नूर मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल। मन्नूर मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल्स में कई हाईली क्वालिफाइड स्किल्ड डॉक्टर्स और अवेलेबल हैं, और यहाँ के इंस्ट्रूमेंट और यहाँ का सेटअप काफ़ी अलग लेवल से डॉक्टर फारूक अहमद मन्नूर साहब ने खुद डिज़ाइन करवाया है। 15 बेड ICU सेटअप, बिगेस्ट कैजुअलिटी सेटअप, बिग OT सेटअप, नॉर्मल OT सेटअप, यहाँ पर 24/7 एम्बुलेंस सर्विस है। जनवरी 2 से डॉक्टर फारूक मन्नूर साहब गुलबर्गा में मन्नूर मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल को लॉन्च करने वाले हैं, और डॉक्टर फारूक मन्नूर साहब ने इस वेबसाइट लॉन्च के स्टेज से कहा, गुलबर्गा की आवाम को अब हैदराबाद, बेंगलुरु जैसे शहर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं। वो पूरी कोशिश टफ से टफ केस को अपने और अपने डॉक्टर्स की टीम की मेहनत से गुलबर्गा में सॉल्व कर आवाम को राहत पहुंचाने का काम करेंगे। इस वेबसाइट लॉन्च के मौके पर डॉक्टर फारूक अहमद मन्नूर साहब ने सभी डॉक्टर्स का फेलिसिटेशन भी किया और डिनर का अरेंजमेंट भी यहाँ पर किया गया था।
It's a moment of great pride for Gulbarga. We have innumerable hospitals here and also great doctors here, but still to provide
Next, I would like to call upon Dr.
health, which is nothing but a wealth. As we all know, if you do not have health, you cannot enjoy your wealth. And people here are a mixed type, poor, rich. Handmade, a hospital where quality care at affordable price at the doorsteps was a need of an hour. The COVID has taught us that God has sent doctors on this earth to take care of the difficult time, and the hospital coming up at this crucial time is a great boon to Gulbarga. I heartily congratulate the multi-speciality hospital with a great infrastructure. Above all, Dr. Mannur Dr. Farooq Mannoor, a great surgeon and an entrepreneur.
Dr. Ghusuddin Arif, sir.
I really appreciate his sweetheart,
I'd like to call upon Dr. Hamadar Beg.
which he has bestowed for the common man by taking up this difficult vision. And I appreciate his vision, and his team of excellent doctors which I see are around him to take him through his vision. I'm sure it's a blessing.
I would like to call upon Dr. Saran.
And the website what they have launched, it's really tailor-made. The patients
Dr. Anil Kumar Maghari, sir.
can know how much they may have to spend and what quality care they are going to get. I think everyone should make use of it. Hearty congratulations to Gulbarga, the Mannoor Multi-Speciality Hospital, Dr. Farooq Mannoor, and for the website launch. It's a great time. It's a great future. Thank you.
I'm very glad that I am a part of the Mannoor Multi-Speciality Hospital website inauguration. One word I would like to take stress on Dr. Mannoor's personality. He is a sincere guy, doctor. I've seen him growing,
Dr. Ghusuddin.
and he did post-graduation from KBN, and he was very sincere, and I have seen his surgeries also. He is doing very sincere services, and I think he is a correct job he is doing, that he has opened a multi-speciality hospital with a team of doctors, which will help him to give a good service to the people of Gulbarga, and he is capable of doing all those things. And he is not only a doctor, he has the qualities of a team leader also, to take the hospital to a bigger level. So I pray that this multi-speciality Mannoor Hospital will grow to a bigger height,
I'd like to call upon Dr.
and
Siddhartha Mathur
God bless
to the
him.
stage.
Well, I think it's a good opportunity saying congratulations to Dr. Mannoor. Well, I'm doing cases with him. He's one of the best laparoscopic surgeon. And what intention he has as far as trauma is concerned, where I'm also working since long time in trauma. I think Gulbarga, apart from government institute, if you talk about private hospitals, I think there is no other trauma center like Mannoor Hospital. I have visited his hospital. The way he has constructed, the way he has divided the divisions in the hospital, well, he's trying to do a lot of work in his hospital. He's trying to collect good quality doctors also. Well, I think he's doing really good job. I must congratulate, and especially I must tell about the website also. And website portals, I think no other private hospital is doing what Dr. Mannoor is doing. As a whole, at the whole, or and all, I must congratulate Dr. Mannoor for opening very good trauma as well as all other surgical specialty what he is going to cater in Gulbarga. Thank you very much.
I would like to congratulate Dr. Farooq Mannoor for this immense gathering. For the first time we have been facilitated, and I know personally Dr. Farooq Mannoor is a very dedicated laparoscopic surgeon. So I'd like to tell everyone, if any surgery is required, you can go to Mannoor Hospital where you can get operated with a good quality service. Thank you. Thank you.
Today we are here for the opening ceremony of the website launch of the Mannoor Hospital. Talking about Mannoor Hospital, the managing director himself, Dr. Farooq Mannoor, need not any introduction, as he is well known for his laparoscopic interventions, and timely he has taken many cases and he has operated successfully. And inshallah, very soon the launch of opening of Mannoor Hospital is there, and we wish him a very good success ahead. And we as a team of doctors will be working hard to make it a grand success. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amresh Biradar. I am a consultant plastic surgeon. Dr. Farooq Mannoor, a laparoscopic surgeon, I congratulate him for his new venture, Mannoor Hospital. Farooq Mannoor is a very hard-working laparoscopic surgeon practicing in Gulbarga since last 2 years, and I congratulate him for the new venture which has come up really very well. I have visited the hospital, and it is very well equipped with the latest technology and a 15-bedded ICU center, which will definitely cater better way for all the trauma cases of Kalaburgi and North Karnataka. And I congratulate him for the grand event of launching a website, which has come up really very well. And the website is of almost international standards and providing all the services what a common person or a common public needs. So once again, I congratulate Dr. Farooq Manoor for the new venture. Thank you.
I congratulate Dr. Farooq Manoor, Dr. Hina Manoor for this great success. I'm very much proud of him. He's a very sincere guy. His hard work has proved him, and he has achieved a biggest thing in his life. I wish Dr. Farooq, Dr. Hina and his family a great success. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, good evening all, which has focused on mainly on ICU and critical care and trauma management. I personally know Dr. Farooq from beginning. We are the batchmates, and he is very dedicated and hard-working, enthusiastic doctor who has launched a very good hospital in the Gulbarga, which will cater every need of Gulbarga people, including trauma, laparoscopy, pain management, obstetrics, gynecology, every high-end onco surgeries, which were surgeries which were not possible in Gulbarga, which will be inshallah will try to integrate all the specialty in one roof, under one roof, and will try to deliver highest possible care to the Gulbarga people.
What would you like to say about the setup of the hospital?
Hospital setup is very good. It has biggest critical care setup in the whole of Gulbarga, and it will deal with trauma patient, any kind of trauma patient, polytrauma patient, onco surgery patients, laparoscopy. It has high-tech facilities with all available defibrillators, ventilators, ICU beds, OT beds, and high-end anesthesia equipments, where all the possible cases will be managed to the highest possible care available. Thank you. I congratulate Dr. Farooq on this endeavor, and I wish all the best for his all the best in the success. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I heartily thank to all the doctors who have given their time, taking out their busy schedule and attending the launch party of the Manoor Hospital website. I'm really very grateful to each one of the doctors who have come all over the way to support me and to encourage me for the service which I am planning to give to the people of the Gulbarga Manoor Multi-Speciality Hospital 24/7 Trauma Center. I really feel very privileged, and I am very happy. It has boosted me to another level. Today it is the day, it is the first day of the success, which what I had a plan, that plan has come to the reality. I can feel the happiness just because of the doctors who have come all over from their busy schedule to help me. I really appreciate their valuable time which they have come all over here. I really thank Dr. Shafiuddin sir, Dr. Azim Maidargi sir, Dr. Majid Talikoti sir, Dr. Nazim sir, Dr. Kailash Banale sir, Dr. Avinash Alshatti sir, all the doctors. I can't individually take many names. I really know each one of the doctors who have come from all the way. I thank each doctor who have come here, and I really appreciate their time, and I hope they will support, and they will constantly support in my future. Thank you.